Today we are going to show you how to make an amazing infographic in Microsoft PowerPoint like this way. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. This is a new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me go to new slide, insert a blank slide. Let me go to design, go to format background, select on solid fill, color, select this color. Let me zoom out. Now go to insert, go to shapes, pick a top corner rounded rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. Go to rotate, select on flip vertical and place it like this. Now again go to insert, go to shapes, pick a oval shape and holding the shift key drag it over here like this and place it exactly middle of the previous one. Now select this shape and this shape, go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on subtract. Select this shape, go to shape outline, make it no outline, go to shape fill, select this fill color. Now from shape format, go to effect, go to shadow, select the color black, change the transparency to 75%, change the size to 110%, change the blur to 10% and change the angle to 0% and change the distance to 0%. Now again go to insert, go to shape, pick a top corner rectangle shape and drag it like this and make sure the size is exactly the previous one. Go to shape outline, make it no outline, go to shape fill, select a fill color from here and place it like this. Click on right button and send to back and place it this kind. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick out text box and drag it like this and right here goal. Place it center, bold it and change the font size and place it like this and change the font color to white color. By holding the control key, make a copy and write here 1 and increase the font size. Increase the font size this kind. Again go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it here like this and write here some header text mission. Make it bold and place it center and place it exactly like this and increase the font size. By holding the control key, make a copy and write here something. Future mission, change the font to Arial. Also change this font to Arial and this font to Arial. Change this font to Arial and decrease the font size and uncheck the bold and change the font color exactly the previous one. So this color. Now select both of this text box and press Ctrl G to group them together and now select all of this shape, the background one and the text box and press Ctrl G to group them together and click on right button and send to back. Now this is a group, this text box as a group and this is another shape. I have 3 shapes here actually, or 3 groups. Now let me insert an icon. Go to this device, click on download icon. Let me click on insert, resize it by holding the shift key and place it exactly middle of the shape and go to picture format, go to color, change the more variant color and change the color according to previous one. You can easily download this icon from flaticon.com. You can search your light app, you will find some icon like this. Now select all of these shapes, press the Ctrl key and make a copy and place it like this and place it like this and let me change the number and let me change the color. Shape format, shape fill, this fill color, this one, shape fill, this fill color, shape fill, this fill color and also change this font color and change the icon color. Go to picture format, go to color, more variant color, this color, this one, go to color, more variant, this color, this one, color, more variant, this color. Now let me add another text box. Go to insert, go to shapes, pick a text box and drag it like this and write here future infographic. Change the font to Arial, make it bold and place it center. Now go to insert, go to shapes, pick a oval shape and drag it over here like this. Go to shape fill, make it this fill color. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate. Again press Ctrl D, again press Ctrl D and select all of this shape and place it exactly middle and go to shape format, go to align, click on distribute horizontally and change the color. Now I have to add some animation. Click on this shape, go to animation, go to add animation, click on float in. Duration 0.75 seconds and select this shape. Again click on add animation, click on float in. On click, change it to after previous. Duration 0.75 and delay 0.25. Select this text. Go to add animation, click on zoom, click on after previous, duration 0.50 and delay 0.25. Select this one, go to add animation, click on zoom, on click with previous. Now select this shape, click on animation painter and select this shape. Select this one, click on animation painter, select this one. Select this text box, click on animation painter, select this one. Select this icon, click on animation painter, click on this icon. So I make the exact animation like the previous one using the animation painter tool. Now let me select this one, animation painter, select this one, animation painter, click on here. Select the mission, click on animation painter here. Select this one, click on animation painter, select on here. Select this one, click on animation painter, this one, animation painter, this one. Select this one, animation painter, this one. Select this one, animation painter and this one. Now let me watch the slideshow. Here this is looking so good. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. You will find the slide in the video description. Thank you.